Friends, today I come here with a new innovative recipe, that is pumpkin with potato curry. It's little bit of spicy, not that much spicy, but little bit of spicy and tasty itself. Less oil cooking. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Half a kilo pumpkin ripened. Cut it in a cube size. 3 medium potatoes, cut it in a cube size. A tomato, cut it in the long size. 2 medium onions, ginger, garlic, 8 pieces green chilies, 2 pieces of fenugreek leaf, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, little bit of red chili powder and some fenugreek powder also. Heat one pan, add this vegetables, onion, leaf, tomato, green chilies, ginger garlic and this spice powders, salt, 2 cups of water. Cover this and cook for a while. Forget to add some curry leaf also. Cook all together until it's soft. It's cooked and water is reduced. Now I am going to add oil and putting the flame very low. The pan is heavy bottomed, so that now no need much flame for it, just only need low flame, otherwise it can be stick in the bottom of the pan. So now cook it in the low flame. Mix the vegetable slowly in between, so that make sure it's not stick in the bottom of the pan. Yes, it's ready to serve. Pumpkin potato curry is ready to serve. If you like this video and the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest innovative recipes. Thank you for watching my channel.